很小，就是不大的了。这样 corridor 这样子 ，corridor， 就是进来就是这样子。它这个墙，客厅咯，客厅这个是 exactly 我的房间了咯，真正我的房间，很小的balcony咯。这样子看出去就是对面可以看到山咯，学校啊、医院那些。然后这边过来，就是这个应该是主人的房哦。很小间，就是厕所很小啦，就是它可以分成2个来用哦。我看到时我可以怎样去改进它了。厕所来看一看，这样子哦，一个缸跟一个很小的厕所。
没有，它里面也是有的。
有啊。
它只是把你挡掉。
挡掉啊。
会看到也会。
这也是另外一个。
可以进去转转。
马桶那边。然后这里是冲凉，至少它干湿分离了，它这边有分高低啦。可能我要加一个门还是看有。
是墙壁来的 ，OK。
这边上面是可以安那个 ventilator， 它已经帮你做好了，你只是加吧。因为它已经有了哦，它已经 built in 了哦。
你要鼓励你自己啊，厕所越小越有意义。
啊。
你要叫他这
样子咯。这个是中间的房间咯。要开门咯，或者有冷气有 ventilator 就 OK 咯。这样子咯。OK， 今天是第一天 move in new home， 看看它的 cabinet 先。cabinet 是这样子，还没有时间tidy up 吧，就是这样子了。Japanese style， 有 cup， 有 flask， 有 toaster， 有 cocoa machines with warm, hot and cold water， hand soap， washing machine。Small size fridge, Hisense brand, and microwave. Okay, overall, it looks like that. This is the kitchen area, very minimally simple. And then here's the entrance. Here is where we can keep our shoes, like a very small budget shoe shelf. Okay, here is the dining area, dining corner, with some very light decoration and of course a Japanese Muji lamp because it's a Muji style, Muji concept condo with 4 tables lah. Okay, now here comes our living hall, with ambient light, very simple living hall with some comfort sofa, and this sofa is actually Napa leather. It's like brown orange, classic brown orange, quite comfortable I would say, because it's inside is latex, it's not sponge. So, and of course with all the Muji style kind of seats and table lah. By the way, this wooden table itself cost 700, and this one itself cost 100 plus. I bought from Shopee, and then this one also 100 plus, just to make the overall ambient even more Muji. And this shelf that we are seeing is actually custom made one, custom made just to fit the entire hall. The color of this wood is actually rose oak wood, quite solid lah, but they hasn't brushed out everything yet. You see there's still some gap here. They said they will come and fill up the gap here with silicone or whatsoever. They will be coming around next Monday to fix the remaining lah. So here is the Xiaomi TV lah, 43 inch lah, because we seldom watch TV. And then here are some nice decoration with Japanese light lamp, and this one also. This lamp very nice. Yeah, especially bought from Lazada. Also a Japanese lamp. And the balcony is very small. Okay, this is the place that keep the aircon machine, compressor or whatsoever. So opposite is the mountain, no? And what you see the building is actually the general hospital and the school. Actually here is the central of Ipoh already, Green Town. So behind this building itself is already Ipoh Parade. It's like 4-5 minute walking just to cross the road is Ipoh Parade Mall already. And a lot of eateries and high-end restaurants around the corner. Yeah, some high-rise building coming in. So opposite is a mountain. Here is the toilet, the second bathroom, very small, with some hand soap. This is the name of my management, IWH. They will be managing my condo for Airbnb with heater, everything that you need, and toilet bowl, clean. Yeah. By the way, the sink is Sorrento, not bad. Now comes the middle room. Da-da-dang. Also very minimalist with Japanese lamp, tatami style. A bit of tatami style, but not already. And here is the wooden table with the mirror. Also everything is wood, quite nice. And finally we come to the master bedroom with a double decker deck. And the bed is a cuckoo technology queen size bed with the let's come up. So the window is all the way down, same scenery, and yeah, there's a lot of ambient light but all this light serves some purpose It will give an alert to the person when they cross the deck, because sometimes old people, they walk out and down, is quite dangerous. So you have this light, right? It's like highlighting to people, be careful. And of course, it's the dressing table. Same toilet same as just now one. This is another toilet. There are two toilets altogether. Okay, that's all how the house looks like. Bye bye.